Alright guys, so today being the last day, Friday, we're just going to be finishing up what our projects are. So I'm going to just kind of walk you through what you guys should be finishing up and showing how to submit it and everything else like that. And then your guys' week will be over and I will see you guys again in December. But first, let's look at the graph that we've been looking at throughout the week. Me selling lemonade, starting at -$50 being how much I spend, and then adding 5x to it, where 5 is the amount of dollars I sell per lemonade. So first looking at it, you guys can answer some questions up here like where is my starting point, how many lemonades would I have to sell to break even, what would happen to my graph if I charge less for a lemonade, say $1 a glass, what would be my new equation. So you can come up with a whole bunch of different thoughts and any kind of note or something, answers to these questions, you guys can just type in on the side of Desmos. And as you go through, you should have your graph. You can put pictures in there if you want. If you want to look at other graphs, like we said, after selling 30 of them, my new equation would be y is equal to 5x plus 50. So we would have a new graph that would look like this, and kind of understanding that, well, if I sold 35 now, so now we're starting at 35, kind of working from there and looking at the different equation of our graph. So as you guys go through and do this, you can put as many things that we've covered throughout the week on the left side. I'd like to see maybe 3 or 4 things that you guys have typed in, answering to different questions, understanding what the starting point is, what your break-even point is, what would your answer be to some of these questions, or just anything else that you could possibly see. I know some of you guys looked at, what's the maximum amount of money that you can make based on all the material that you bought. So you can go through and you can look at that to kind of help you out. So I'm going to show you really quick how you are going to submit it. I mentioned it yesterday, but if you forgot or you weren't too sure, I'm just going to quickly go through and show you how to do that. So if you click on this button up here, it's on the very top right part, the share graph. If you click on that button, a link comes up that you are able to copy. So if you click on that share graph, this link comes up, and all you're going to do is you're just going to copy it and then paste it in an email and send it to me. And then I'll gather everyone's up, I'll send out a list of everyone's, and you guys can go through and look at everyone else's ideas in the classroom as you guys went through and maybe expand on yours as you like. If you submit something and then you realize you want to go a little bit further to it, that's okay. You can go a little bit further and then just send me that. You just click that share graph again and send it again, and I will get what your changes are. Just make sure that once you submit it or before you submit it, if you click on this up here where it says Untitled Graph, if you click on that, you can sign up if you want a Desmos account or not. It's kind of up to you. But if you would like, I at least kind of put here, maybe your last note or one of your first notes, just kind of put your name so that I know and everyone will know when they click on it whose it is. So this would be my graph as I go through and do it, just so that as everyone clicks on it, they know whose it is. Okay, but if you already have a Desmos account, you can title the graph and just put your name in there and everyone will be able to do that. All right, so if you guys have any questions, please let me know. It was great kind of working with you guys this week. And if you have any questions over the next month or two about anything you're doing in your math class, please send me an email. I can help you guys out as much as you want. Kind of think of me as an extra math tutor or something that you guys can use throughout the whole school year. And other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, have a great weekend. Look out for an email from me tomorrow. But at some point, I will send out everyone's submitted projects. And if you don't finish it by today and you need an extra day, just let me know and you can submit it anytime over the weekend as well. Will be fine. But if you get it in today, I'll include it in that list of everyone's tomorrow. So other than that, you guys have a great day and go Eagles.